look at problems in a textbook or assessments like this, and in some ways to have assessments on any of these things in chapter one seems a little bit silly because how the answers can vary and us imagining that we can look at a graph and know what changed. Well, it really is about sparking that discussion and that thinking about what's necessary for being successful in a challenging course like this. And really here, when we're thinking about growth mindset versus fixed mindset, what happened? Notice that the student kind of maintained this ability, that the straight line that we kind of associated with a fixed mindset. But then all of a sudden the ability started to increase. And our speculation is that the student no longer realized that, hey, this is how intelligent I am, so this is what I got. Instead, they said, you know what? I can grow, right? Hard problems will help me grow. Difficult assessments will help me grow. Reading and working nightly will help me grow. And my intelligence is not a fixed quantity. It's something that I can build on, and that happened about right here. And notice that this graph starts kind of below the do well in organic, but by the end it's above do well in organic. So hey, we're biased towards organic chemistry, so maybe it was organic chemistry. It couldn't have been this YouTube video because you guys are the first ones to watch it, but maybe someday it will be this video that says, hey, start thinking with a growth mindset. Start thinking that your intelligence isn't fixed. Start thinking about the things you can do to get better. And maybe that's what happened for this student.